In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch and prepare Overload for Figma with Adobe Illustrator. Before you begin, make sure both Adobe Illustrator and Figma are already open on your computer. It's important that Illustrator is running in the background and that you also have access to Figma either through the desktop app or in your browser. Having both of these active ahead of time helps everything connect smoothly and prevents setup issues later on. If one of them is closed, go ahead and open it now before moving forward. Next, you'll want to run the Overload Installation Manager locally on your machine. This is the part that makes sure the Overload components are installed and available on your system. Depending on your computer settings, you may need to confirm that you want to open the installer or allow it to run. Just follow the on-screen prompts and let the installation manager complete its process. It's a good idea to wait until everything fully finishes before clicking away or trying to open the plugin. If you run into any delay here, give it a moment, especially on the first launch, since some tools may need a few extra seconds to initialize properly. Once the installation manager has been launched and completed, the next step is to find and open the Overload for Figma plugin. To do that, go to Chrome and use the Quick Actions search bar. In the search field, type in Overload for Figma, then look for the plugin in the search results and launch it from there. Be sure to select the correct plugin name so you're opening the intended tool. If the plugin doesn't appear right away, try searching again carefully and make sure Chrome is active and responsive. In some cases, waiting a few seconds can help if your system is still catching up after the installation step. Also, since Figma needs to be available during this process, double-check that your Figma desktop app or browser tab is still open and ready. At this point, you should have Illustrator open, Figma active, the Overload Installation Manager run locally, and the Overload for Figma plugin launched through Chrome's Quick Actions search. That means your environment is now set up and ready for the next part of your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next step.